guys, this is Pat with 3D Wonders. Today I have the EINSTAR VEGA with me. I'm going to unbox it and do a scan together. So there's a carrying case and a few accessories. Let me go through the accessories first. So we have here a plastic holder for the calibration board. And we have a strap that tether your 3D scanner to your wrist so that you won't drop it on the ground. And a tripod mount. And a charger. Here is the carrying case. I'm going to open it. Let's see what's inside. In the middle, we have the EINSTAR VEGA. We're going to take a closer look at it later. Here, we have a tripod, nice and sturdy. This only comes free for the first batch of customers. And then here we have the charging cable. And alternatively, you can also use it as a data transfer cable. And inside the pockets, we have, as usual, you have some free markers. It comes handy when you scan flat surfaces. And inside these big pockets, you'll find the calibration board. So on this side, you use it for calibrating for the fast scanning mode. And on this side, this is for calibration for the high definition scanning mode. And that's all. And we're going to focus on the scanner now. Finally, we have the scanner. The form factor is just like a cell phone. You got the screen on one side and the cameras on the back. It is also in a protective case made of silicone, which is very nice because it gives you a better grip. Let me take it off so that you can see the metal casing. Looking at the back, you see there's a lot of things going on. Right off the bat, the VEGA supports two scanning modes, high definition and fast scanning. Each has its own infrared laser sensors. On top of that, there are 4 stereo depth cameras and 1 color camera. So yes, the VEGA supports color scanning. So I have this very nice Victorian ornament in front of me. It's a gift from my customer. And I'm going to show you how we can use EINSTAR VEGA to scan this very nice ornament. So this is a very beautiful ornament, and I would love to get down to the details of these very nice hair braids. So I'm gonna try the HD mode for scanning. So let's start. So when I move around the objects, on the right hand side it will show me if I'm in a good distance or not. So now it's green, it's good. So if I go too far, see, tracking is lost. If I go too close, oh, so because we're in an HD mode, it's still okay, but tracking is not that good either. But if you go here, if it's too near, you'll see the red signal, which means you have to move a bit away from it. Okay, let's get a good distance. Okay, so we just have to move the Vega around it. Here, here. Then we go to the other side. As you can see, these blue dots means data are captured. Looks like I have everything captured here. So let me try to stop it. Here is what the final product looks like after one more scan. The point cloud looks pretty good. Once you've done scanning, you can even do some editing on the fly with the built-in cropping tools and mesh processing. And that's really cool. It means you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on a graphic card just to do 3D scanning. So that was it, guys. That was my first experience using the Vega. The Vega being the first wireless model in the EINSTAR series, I was very curious. And my experience so far is very positive. In terms of portability, it was just great. The fact that you don't have to tether it to a laptop through a power cable and a data cable just make it so much easier to use and maneuver. I can scan anything, anywhere. I'm always ready to go. The Vega is so new, we just got it yesterday. So in this video, I'm just giving you a quick look at the scanner itself. A more detailed review will be coming soon. Remember to click the subscribe button if you don't want to miss it. Meanwhile, if you want to learn more about this product, please come to 3D Wonders. We have a lot more information on our website.